Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the last puzzle. The last puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper on April the 17th, 2023. No, it's the additional of the Saturday edition, Saturday and Sunday edition, April the 15th or 16th. 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two stars Sudoku, and it's time now for the Tectonic with a 1 star, and this will be number 6292. Yeah, 6292. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 23 printed digits. Well, a lot. Too much, because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 23. Of course, it's indicated with 1 star, and for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright, we will see if this is really a 1 star, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. Dual boxes then. Let me check for the dual boxes. No dual boxes in this puzzle. I see here only one triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Alright. Triple boxes. Only one triple box. We have here quadra box. I see here a quadra box. Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. This box can be a 4. So the 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box is always a 5. This box is a 5. Here another quadra box. Well, I cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. Insufficient information right now. Alright, then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. This box is a 2 then. It's a 2. But in this T shape, remember that that box is also has the same number as this box. So that box here has the same number as this box. Okay, the T shape. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw the shape here. Remember when you see this kind of shape, that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay. Here another one. Wow. 3. No, we have a 4th. This box has the same number as that box. Here another one, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Okay. Let me check. We have one shape left. This shape. Let me draw this here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Yeah. Maximum 6. But not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 shapes, 3 figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Should be there. then let me see. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be here. Then, well, 45, yeah. These two boxes are left for the numbers 4 and 5, and this box is connected with that box, which is 4 and 5. But we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5 then. Is connected with that box, should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 4. And 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. Alright, then 2 to 5, okay. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Well, these two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 5 here. That means I cannot place any 5 in one of those two boxes. If you place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of the two boxes. Same for this box, cannot place the 5 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and the 4 to the 4. That means that those two boxes can be 2 and a 4. Because we have a double 4 here and a double 2 there. If you place a 2 or 4 here, I cannot fill any 2 or any 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2 or a 4. We already have a 4 here, so it can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be a 2. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 5 and the 3. Let me mark those. 5 and the 3. We have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 3 goes there. To the 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then this box can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then, yeah, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 1 there because we already have a 1 here. So not. As soon as you place the 1 there, the 1 is supposed to be here. These two boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These two boxes can be 1. Those two boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. For the 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. To the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. To the 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 to 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We go up We go up. These are 3 boxes. Round the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3. In this quadrant box should be there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now. So no 3 there. 3 supposed to be there. Then this box can be, well, I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this quadrant box for numbers 4 and the 2 for the 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and a 2. But we already have a 2 here. It can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4 then. Is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this quarter box for number 2. Then I think this box should be 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. Finish in 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Told you I need to be faster than 50 minutes because it's a 1-star indication. We have a 1-star indication, so should be faster. And I like this one, yes. In the flow, you will solve this puzzle in 11 minutes. Alright, thank you for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow, and have a great and fantastic Monday. Bye-bye for now. Until then, bye-bye. Yes.